My ice business is riding on you talking to your sister?
Yep.
Learn superlatives with Frozen. How to make a word stronger or more extreme.
Let it go, let it go.
So you're not at all afraid of her?
Why would I be?
Yeah, I bet she's the nicest, gentlest, warmest person ever. Oh, look at that. I've been impaled.
In English, superlatives are formed by adding est to the adjective. Nicest means she is the most nice compared to everyone else.
Thank you. I never knew what I was capable of.
The next 3 clips will play. For each clip, come up with a superlative that best describes the scene. Then post it in the comments.
It's completely frozen.
Cold, 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 cold.
A real howler in July, yeah?
I'm Anna.
And who's the funky-looking donkey over there?
That's Sven.
Uh-huh. And who's the reindeer?
Sven?
Oh, okay. Make things easier for me.
It is not nice to throw snow people!
Whoa, Feisty Pants. Just let the snowman be.
I'm calm.
Great.
Bonus point. What does impale mean?
Warmest person ever. Oh, look at that. I've been impaled.
What movie clip do you want to see next? Post in the comments.